Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
May I have your full name?
My name is Gachumale Ashrita Reddy.
And what may I call you?
You can call me Ashrita.
Hi, Ashrita. We'll be commencing our IELTS speaking test now. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. In the first part of this test, I'm going to ask you a few questions about yourself.
Okay.
Right? Okay. So, what kind of foods do you generally like?
I generally prefer eating pasta or rice and curry, maybe waffles,
Okay. And
basic stuff.
so, if we were talking about fast foods, what fast food do you really enjoy?
Honestly, I eat a wide range of fast foods from animal fries to hamburgers. I've had it all.
Okay. So, do you also cook?
No, I do not like cooking.
So, did you ever use a microwave to cook food quickly?
Yes, I have. I used a microwave in multiple instances to make fast food.
In the second part of the test, I'm going to give you a topic that I'd like you to talk about. Once I present you with the topic, you'll have 1 minute to prepare.
Okay.
And when I ask you to start speaking, please start speaking. Okay? You'll have the option to make notes. Here is your topic, and you may make any notes that you wish to.
Thank you.
And your time to prepare starts now. Remember, you have 1 minute.
Okay.
1 minute later.
So that's your 1 minute, and I'd like you to start speaking now. And if I stop you in between, please do not worry.
Okay. So a software application that I stopped using quite a while ago is Reddit. Well, I first created a Reddit account back in 2020 when I was 11 years old. I was bored during lockdown. The only thing I had was my iPad and a steady internet connection. So I went on Reddit to read about people's miseries. You know, in the beginning, I thoroughly enjoyed being on Reddit. From people crashing funerals and weddings to people getting expelled from school, I thoroughly enjoyed being on Reddit. But not very well. Soon enough, I noticed changes in my behavior. I always prided myself on being a respectful and decent person, but I feel like Reddit took away that part of me. It turned me into a very nosy and obnoxious person. And I lost a lot of friends because of that, and close family members warned me about where I was going. So I decided to take the step and delete my Reddit account because I felt like that is what is best for me. I deleted my account in fall 2021, nearly 20 months after being on Reddit. It was really hard to not go back to Reddit initially since I was so addicted. But I moved on. And honestly, I'm really happy with my decision as I'm back to being myself. It was hard to get out.
Thank you.
But yeah.
So what made you take this decision?
Honestly, a lot of people started noticing changes in my behavior. I wasn't who I was before.
So were you prompted by other people's reactions towards you?
Yes, I was.
We've been talking about an application that you use and the application that you decided to stop using. So let me ask you a few questions about that. So are you a person who enjoys working with computers?
Not really, no.
Okay, so now do you like playing games?
Yes, I do enjoy playing video games.
Okay, so what kind of computer games do people play in your country?
I think people in my country are attracted towards multiplayer games and open server games like Genshin or games like that.
Why do you think this is the case?
I feel like they are drawn towards games like this because they want to immerse themselves in a new world and escape reality.
Okay, so do people of all ages engage themselves in computer games, or is it a particular demographic?
I feel like people in all age groups engage playing in computer games, but I do feel like there should be restrictions.
Okay, so what kind of restrictions do you think there should be?
Only certain age groups should be allowed to play certain video games. Since most video games are open server games, children might not be aware of what's happening around them.
So we've been talking about computer games, and so as an extension, how do you feel about technology in the classroom and the way it is used?
Technology has become an essential part of classroom life, especially after the pandemic. Students engage in a lot of activities within the classroom that require technology. Teachers make learning better with presentations or interactive videos.
Okay, so do you think technology would one day be able to replace a teacher in the classroom?
No, I do not think technology can replace a teacher.
And
because,
why?
Well, I feel that you need a teacher to explain things better, as technology can only repeat what it always does.
Sure. Thank you. That will be the end of the
Thank you,
IELTS
sir.
Speaking Test.